Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a business email address. So first, the you need to choose an email host. Options like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 are popular for business email hosting. Then you need to pick a plan that fits your business. So consider storage, security, and number of mailboxes. Then the next step is to register your domain name. This will typically be the same as your website. Some hosts even offer free domains for the first year. Then you need to decide on your email address format. So a standard format is like the first name of your first name dot last name, then at the rate of your domain.com. This works great as your team grows. Alright, for example, if you work in Forbes, then if your name is Jerry, then Jerry at the rate of Forbes.com, or HR at the rate of Forbes.com, and something like that. And then you have to set up your mailboxes and passwords. Create your desired email addresses and set strong password. So, and that's it. So here is how much it will cost for Google Workspace. It costs like $8, $8.40 per month, and for Microsoft 365 it is $7. Also there are some cheaper options. So Homeoil is kind of expensive. Google is better in terms of overall ecosystem and everything else. So that's it. Most services cost around $5 to $10 per month per user. So this is a small investment for a professional image. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.